Let's do this exercise. Both feet on the floor. You're going to take in a deep breath and release. Deep breath through your nose. Exhale. Another round of deep breath through your nose. And release. Now say after me, I am safe. Say it again, say I am safe. Say I belong to life. Say I am safe. I belong to life. Now I want you to close your eyes. We're going to use the power of visualization and imagination. You will close your eyes and now close your eyes and visualize roots leaving your feet into the earth. Visualize roots, because your feet are your roots, your root chakra, into the earth. Visualize that. Visualize roots leaving your feet into the earth. And then imagine a transaction between your body and the earth. Imagine the earth feeding your body with golden light. Now imagine golden light all over your body. You have to be childlike to carry out this exercise. Just imagine golden light sparkling all over your body. Imagine it now, imagine it. Attach your emotions, generate the feelings of sparkling lights all over your body, all over your body, from the sole of your feet to the strands to your hair. Imagine sparkling golden lights moving from your root chakra to every of your energy centers. Imagine it. Imagine the sun shining on you. Imagine the moon transmitting its energy over you. Imagine the stars in the sky. Imagine yourself in that space. Imagine it. And then say after me, the earth supports me. Say this from the bottom of your heart. The earth supports me. I am nourished by life. The earth supports me. I am nourished by life. The sun obeys my command in the day. The sun obeys my commands in the day. The moon obeys my words in the night. The stars obey my words in the night. For the sun shall not smite me by day, nor the moon in the night. The earth supports me. I am nourished by life. The earth supports me. I am nourished by life. Mention your name. The earth supports me, Femi Jubal. I am nourished by life. The earth supports me, Femi Jubal. I am nourished by life. Now place both hands below your navel. Now you are going to activate the feminine and the masculine. Whether you're a man or a woman, place both hands below your navel. Like I said, for the masculine to be in its authenticity, in its authentic state, the feminine must be in its right position. Now breathe into your lower abdomen. Take in the breath Breathe out through your nose into your lower abdomen. Do it the third time, taking the breath. Breathe it into your lower abdomen. Now say after me, I return to source. I return to balance. 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 Now visualize your mother. If you can visualize your grandmother, if you can visualize your great grandmother, if you can visualize your great great grandmother, now begin to send gratitude. Not because they were perfect, even if they hurt you. Because listen, they carried your life forward. You are here because they carried you in the matrix of their mother's womb. They had their own trauma, so they probably treated you the way they treated you based on the trauma that they were struggling with. Visualize them and then send them gratitude. Send them gratitude. Send them gratitude. Say after me, Mother, I thank you. Mother, I thank you. Thank you for the lessons you were meant to teach me. I have learned the lessons. Some of you have to say, Mother, I forgive you. Mother, I forgive you. Mother, I forgive you. I release the blame. I release the blame. I receive wisdom. I choose healing. Mother, I forgive. Mother, I'm coming home. Mother, I'm sorry. Mother, thank you for teaching me. Father, thank you for teaching me. Now let's activate abundance for the week. Visualize a river flowing from the earth through your body. The river of the mother, the river of life, the wells of salvation. Because through the breaking of the water and the shedding of her blood, your mother birthed you into this quantum existence. Through the breaking of the water and the shedding of her blood, she birthed you. She birthed you. So visualize a river flowing from the earth through your body. Now, as you visualize that, begin to see health. If you are sick, touch that part of your body. If you're a woman, place your hand on your womb area. If there's any other part of your body that you have been sick, your cells can regenerate, can heal itself. You don't need a massive program with instruments to be healed. You can be healed right here, right now, with the words of your mouth, because your cells can hear you. Abundance can flow naturally through the cells of your body. Now see health. See opportunities. I want you to use the power of imagination now. Begin to curate images of the event you want to experience this week. Begin to script with your mind's eye. Curate the human beings, the patterns, the people that you are going to meet, the meetings that you have, the appointments that you have, the deals that you want to close. Begin to create the events in your head. how you want them to happen. Begin to do that now. See supportive relationships. See prosperity. Because it has already happened. You are only going to experience it. Now say after me, abundance flows naturally through me. I am supported by creation. And let's close with this. Put your two hands on your chest, your heart. Put your two hands there. I return to the mother. I return to the source. I return to myself. I return to myself. Oh, now I speak that may healing enter your spirits. May peace enter your mind. May abundance enter your work. And may love enter your relationship. And so shall it be. So shall it be. So shall it be for you. Ashe, 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 ise, ise. Now I want you to be silent for 60 seconds. Wherever you are, be silent for 60 seconds. Wherever you are, 60 seconds. And that 60 seconds starts now. Be silent. Congratulations. 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 Thank you for joining the session. Quick announcement. We are going to, and this is because a lot of people have asked me, what do I do when I wake up in the morning? I'm deconstructing. I don't know what to do. How do I pray? Who do I pray to? I'm confused. Some others are just looking for a space where they can, a space that can be more or less like a catalyst for their daily task and for the rest of the year, so that they can begin the rest of the year on a clean slate of spiritual empowerment. And that's the reason we have put together from the 1st of June tomorrow to the 30th of June what we call the 369 daily activation. 369 daily activation. It's going to be on YouTube. We're going to post it later today. YouTube, 6 a.m. Mondays to Fridays. I'm going to take you through some exercises of affirmations, declarations that would prepare you for the day. So after the month of June, you are armed, and then you can start doing it yourself from July, August. How many of you are going to attend? It's going to be on YouTube, 6 a.m. to 6:36 a.m. 36 minutes of elevation, Mondays to Fridays. And we are starting tomorrow. So go follow Femi Jubal on YouTube. Turn on the subscribe and turn on your notification button, and then you are going to get all the updates. So thank you so much, guys, for joining the session, and have an amazing, amazing week. My name is Femi Jubal, and I'm dedicated to your elevation. Thank you.